So we're here at the Woodstown Central Railroad. This is their main depot, main area. This is where they're housing number 9, there's the train shed. And we're here on Hooper's birthday. Well, 2 days after his birthday, the 18th.
Yep.
He was born on the 16th of January of 2007. Yeah, but this is the main. So what's your thoughts on the Woodstown Central Railroad? You know, the depot, the train station, the atmosphere, kind of in the middle of nowhere.
Well, it's a great excursion railroad. Well, I think it's probably become my favorite excursion railroad. So they now have steam locomotive and a XPRSL GP38.
Yeah, awesome stuff. Yo, we're literally in the middle of nowhere. So there's the Noka coupler and the air hose that's going to be connected to the locomotive, the GP, what is it, a GP38?
GP38.
Yeah, GP38-2 2003. Can't wait to see this. So here's the Woodstown Central passenger equipment. We have Pennsylvania Railroad, I guess just regular codes, mineral spring. That's pretty interesting. And then they have these Woodstown Central passenger cars. I don't really know much about them. All I know that, well, they're passenger cars. Yeah, and one of them has been turned into a cab car, I guess. Now we're on the passenger car. We're going to be entering 1312, excuse me. This is a really heavy tour. Show. This is a very nice lamp. Too bad it's way too bright outside to really see it glow. Well, there it is. Very nice. Table 7.
Trilogy by Gordon Whitefoot.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Raising our leaders, getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever young. Some are like water, some are like the heat. Some are a melody and some are the beat. Sooner or later they all will be gone. Why don't they stay young? It's so hard to get old without a cause. I don't want to perish like a fading horse. Youth like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are forever. So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. But let them come true. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live
Once again, we'll be making just a short stop here in Woodstown to disembark our passengers for our through train. Please remain seated as we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Woodstown Station, folks. Woodstown.
Now, what does that say? the GP38-2. That's going to be a switching up. And back on this track. And then there's the caboose that left on it, the roading caboose.